Control the form. All the way up. All the way down. Today, we do full body workout. No machines, just forest. Let's go!
Even the heaviest burdens can be lifted with a little effort.
Take rest. Take rest. Rest is part of war. No gym bar? No problem. Use tree. Tree never judge. Hey team, Sass here. Today we're doing a full body wilderness workout. Let's go.
Grunts. This is cardio primal style.
Quick tip, always test the branch first. Safety first, even in the wild.
This is earned. Pain is proof.
Okay, so I think I took a scenic route off the main trail. The waterfall should be just around here somewhere.
Water. Oh, thank God, I found water. Okay, I can do this. No signal, 0 bars, the map won't load. Okay, this is fine, don't panic. Just retrace my steps. Oh no, I'm running out of light. I can't be out here when it gets dark. I need to find shelter, now. Every direction looks the same. I just need to find the river. Everyone said follow the water.
Right, so, this is definitely not my stop. Where the heck am I?
Okay, might as well explore while I wait for the next train. This neighborhood's got character. And a lot of gnomes. Whoa, okay, this is either an antique store or a serial killer's garage sale. Place your bets now.
Okay, it's guarded. Note to self, the killer is a cat.
The grumpy cat lord let me in. Best wrong stop ever. Totally worth it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Learnify AI.